is Alana Lomonaco. I'm the head of the commercial and economic section of the Embassy of Argentina in Egypt. In our trade sector, what we do is try to help companies from Argentina and also from Egypt to establish business together, to trade more, to get to know more about the opportunities of their relations, both in terms of trade and investment and joint ventures, partnerships, trying to create awareness on both regions, what they have to offer and how they can complement each other to grow together. Well, in June we had a very interesting and diverse mission of about 15 companies covering the sectors of pharmaceutical, veterinary, food, auto parts and chemicals also. And it was a very fruitful encounter with a lot of Egyptian companies. They had a business-to-business round on the 7th of June at the Four Seasons, and it was very successful. Everybody was very happy, and of course we were very happy too. And on the 8th of June, some companies are visiting the Africa Health Excon, and others are visiting another establishments and having meetings with regulatory authorities. So I think it's very interesting and good that our Argentine companies now understand more about Egyptian needs, Egyptian rules and opportunities.
I am Gonzalo Rialabeiti. I am Ambassador of Argentina to Egypt since February 2023. And when I was appointed as ambassador to this country, I had a meeting with my Minister of Foreign Affairs, and we both coincided that the most important, the core of our relation is trade and investments. Why trade and investments and not only trade? The world is changing, the world geopolitics are changing, and we need to adapt to these new circumstances. And in this framework, in this context, we decided to implement a very complex, sophisticated strategy in terms of trade and investment. The strategy is to work hard. This is the only secret of trade, the only secret when you promote trade and investment. Work hard. There is no secret. There is no sphinx. We need only to bridge people, to bridge private sector, public sector, to boost our trade and our investments. That's why in these few months we organized several missions, Argentine missions to Egypt, composed of high-ranking officials and businessmen. Some 15 days ago we received a delegation of governors from Argentina of 3 provinces. They came also with businessmen, a delegation of more than 50 people. We met the ministers of supply, minister of agriculture, we met chambers of commerce, we organized events with the FEDCOC, Federation of Chambers of Commerce, and with the FEI, Federation of Egyptian Industries. And now, these days, now we are finishing today a trade mission composed of our Secretary of International Trade, our Minister of Health, and I don't know if I said it, but I say it now, 17 businessmen and businesswomen from Argentina. Yesterday they had B2B meetings, private to private sector, and today we organized also an event to show our businessmen the potential for investment in Egypt.
My name is Laura Tobin. I'm representing Tobin Consulting Group. It's a consultant company for international commerce. I came here representing Pampa, Compañía de Carnes. It's a meat company. We produce ovine meat like sheep, lamb and goat. We came here looking for opportunities to promote and sell here our meat. Everybody knows how good quality and how important is the meat in Argentina. We see that's a great market here in Egypt, and we are sure that we can have a good relationship, a partnership to supply our products here in this part of the world.
My name is Romina Noyan. I work for Omega Biotech. Omega Biotech is a pharmaceutical company from Argentina. We are focused on biotech products. We are one of the leading companies there, and we are very interested in continuing our development here in Egypt. We are looking for partnerships that are interested in our products, since we produce APIs to finished dosage forms. In fact, we found that there are much interest for biotechnology products, and we believe that we will be able to contribute to the development of this kind of products here in Egypt.
Mi nombre es Javier Cerúsico, presidente de la CAM de ProSalta. ProSalta es una fundación mixta público-privada en la cual nos dedicamos a fomentar el comercio exterior o toda la producción exportable de nuestra provincia. Salta es una provincia del norte de Argentina con una gran extensión y con 4 marcados sectores climáticos en los cuales desarrollamos diversas producciones. La principal o una de las principales es la minería, el sector minero fuerte, con un crecimiento en lo que es producción de litio, 2 proyectos en funcionamiento, 5 proyectos en cartera, más un sinnúmero de proyectos que aún están en evaluación de prefactibilidad. También tenemos producción de oro, petróleo, boratos, ¿sí? El boro, ácido bórico, también muy importante para la industria del cerámico. Tenemos una zona de mediana altura, de valles, entre los 1200 y los 2400 metros, donde se desarrolla la producción vitivinícola de nuestra provincia, con vinos de muy buena calidad. Son vinos de altura, lo cual hace que el sol y el agua vayan madurando la fruta de una forma completamente distinta y le aporten un sabor especial a nuestra producción. También tenemos en los mismos valles producción de especias como ser comino, pimentón, anís, orégano. Y en la zona de valle de baja altura, una fuerte producción de tabaco, donde el 80% de la producción del mismo sale para exportación.
My name is Sebastián Ashurmas. I'm the manager of ProSalta. ProSalta is a trade promotion agency from the province of Salta. We came here representing trade chambers, associations and companies from our province, from different sectors, actually mining, agriculture, also trade unions, and we've had so far quite a fruitful meetings with Egyptian companies. Our expectations have a lot of meetings yesterday with Egyptian companies. They have been very fruitful. We've had discussions offering our products, talking about possibilities of joint ventures and joint businesses. So we're very grateful for this visit. We would also like to thank the Argentinian Embassy here in Cairo for their great job, and also our Ministry of Foreign Affairs that let us participate in this mission, and we hope that we can continue this work with our Egyptian partners.
Mi nombre es Manuel Mateo, soy gerente comercial del Laboratorio ProAgro. Laboratorio ProAgro es una empresa argentina ubicada en Rosario, Santa Fe. Tenemos 2 plantas GMP certificadas, producimos fármacos para animales, Bueno, nuestra experiencia en Egipto realmente fue muy buena. Tanto la Embajada como Cancillería nos han armado unas agendas que superaron nuestras expectativas. Nos hemos reunido con un montón de empresas del sector, aprendimos muchísimo de las negociaciones con ustedes y creemos que tenemos muchas oportunidades por delante, no solo para la venta de nuestros productos, sino también para la compra de algunos productos producidos en Egipto para comercializar en Argentina.
Mi nombre es Fernando Slosel, soy de Juntas, Illinois, Argentina. Juntas Illinois es una empresa autopartista ubicada en Rosario, con 80 años de experiencia en el mercado de autopartes. Fabricamos juntas, retenes, tornillos, selladores y autopartes para el mercado automotor. Nuestra calidad es calidad equipo original, cubrimos todo el mercado americano y estamos buscando nuevas oportunidades y explorando nuevos mercados. Es por eso que estamos aquí en Egipto, donde tuvimos una excelente experiencia. Nos hemos entrevistado con contrapartes del sector que nos han recibido muy bien y encontramos un país maravilloso con gente muy amigable. Esperemos poder seguir adelante en las negociaciones.
I'm Roberto Funes, Director of Biocidus, in charge of the business for Africa, Middle East and Europe. Biocidus is a company a pharmaceutical company focused on the production of biosimilars. We develop, produce and distribute biosimilars around the world since the 90s, early 90s. We launched our first product in 1990, so we are pioneers in the field of biosimilars. We start before the concept of biosimilars appears on the table. We are exporting from Argentina to different countries around the world, starting from Latin America, and then we start in Asia, Central Asia, Middle East, North Africa, and recently also in sub-Saharan countries in Africa. We are really proud to be here. We know very well the potential market in Egypt is great, is fantastic. We know very well that there is a great industry here, and we are looking for the right partners to establish a long-term collaboration based on local production. We are looking for a good partner to develop successful business together. We know very well that the domestic market is very important, but also Egypt is a really nice place to develop business in the region. So starting from here, we guess we can reach several markets in the area due to the free trade agreement that Egypt have in place. So we guess that starting from products like erythropoietin, figrastim, interferon beta, teriparatide, human growth hormone, lenograstim, we have several possibilities working together. We are really excited about this possibility. I visited Egypt several times during the last years. We are developing interested potential business with some of your key companies here. We guess this could be a really nice opportunity for both parts of the table. And science and technology coming from Argentina to reach agreements with very, very important that you have here. We know very well that your workers, your companies are plenty of skills, so no doubt there is a really nice opportunity for good collaboration.
But our bilateral trade, more or less, is $2 billion a year. This is the same amount of money that Egypt trades with the rest of Africa. So only one country, our country, is trading with Egypt the same amount that Egypt is trading with the rest of Africa. So that's what I want you to understand the magnitude of this, to have an idea of proportions. Promote partnerships, trade and partnerships with exchanges in terms of technology. We are a country that we not only trade with partners, but we also transfer knowledge. That is very important, mostly for the global south, for Africa and for South America. This is extremely important. We are part of the same group in this international context. So, and I feel that here also the speech of the government and the private sector is the same. We are part of the South, and we must work together for growth, for development, and for the happiness, as a General Perón used to say, for the grandeur of our countries and for the happiness of our people.